wanted to present another success case for wastewater treatment. This was a petrochemical settlement that needed to treat the wastewater of their 5,000 workers, and they decided to install our wastewater treatment plants. The period of operation for this project, for this petrochemical project, was 3 years. So they required an easy alternative to be transported and reused in a different site after the project was ended. So again, these decentralized wastewater treatment plants were the perfect solution. As I said, they are mobile plants. After the work was done, they can take the plants to another site. In this case, costs were significantly lower than having any type of civil works done that would have taken if they would use activated sludge technology. All of these plants had a special painting to resist abrasion from the sand. Remember, as you can see, the plants are installed in the middle of the desert. For our wastewater treatment plants, we always use MBBR technology, moving bed bioreactor. This way, we have more tolerance against changes of the BOD and COD load for at the inlet. As I said before, we have more or less 25% tolerance for these changes. So these plants performed perfectly, even with when there was 6,500 workers at the same place, maintaining always the same outlet parameters.